You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that are synonyms, pretty much synonyms, in English. They are both a bit confusing in their pronunciation, so let's go through them. The top word is pronounced handkerchief, okay? There's a D in the spelling, but no D in the pronunciation, so it's not handkerchief, 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 or in American English, handkerchief, handkerchief. The Americans sometimes also say handkerchief. Now the bottom word is pronounced as tissue, tissue, a tissue. Could you pass me a tissue, or would you have a tissue, please? Or an handkerchief, or handkerchief, as the Americans say it. Could you hear the difference? I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.